Tenenete ebyama bya gisiasa imeyense Center for Multi-Party Democracy Kenya nigo kiaruro kubule gukyasaba Kenya weso kyasobonge ko bababwatani ebyama bya gisiasa okwana nabarayi mu basobwele tkolya lero nabarayi bekiyombekyo CMD Kenya ase barawa n'umunyakiro gobo Keraitu Murungi Franklin Mkwanja mo director monene o CMD Kenya mo director w'ikyama gya UPA Ken Marita amo nabarayibanda abange hasiba kwanire obuya wemerobere oyo okwelika bunabaki chikura ase okwenyora libagali gochiwaka chikura asamatuko abosyo mulikito Linet Nyambane kira Nastin Semecho nabo gotwaliganira roboti rokubwate
Abarai abo ba Center for Multi-Party Democracy nigo bono batebire omoyego yobwo kwerika ase ebyama bya gisiasa nigore ase richikoriense ase ababwatani ao egati yabo abo bisabe kyombe kyobochori nechimbebe IEBC baguche gwika ase nsemeyo nonya nabo nigo batebire ense ya Kenya nigebwate demokrasi eyo chikoreta obwasyo kibwa gisiasa igento batebire kerengete gukinia siasa yense.
The Center for Multi-Party Democracy has convened members of the press to announce final preparations for the 8th edition of the People Dialogue Festival, a 4-day national civic platform dedicated to fostering structured, inclusive and issue-based dialogue among Kenyans. As Kenya's premier multi-party dialogue platform, bringing together over 30 political parties across the political divide, CMD Kenya exists to strengthen democratic culture through dialogue over division and issues over personalities. Our mandate is rooted in creating safe, inclusive and structured spaces where political actors, state institutions, civil society and citizens engage constructively on matters of national interest.
Ekerenge kenene nekyo okoleta bantamo asengenje ya demokrasia egari chipati chirichire Kenya chinyare koba chire chikogamba chikoigwana na chikomanyanga demokrasia temine tinga murigo chamo mune vyama. That's why intumuna UPA, because we are also a national party, tore ase NCMA vyama vile 30 bibwateranete na CMD Kenya abuaso okobe member ekerukwelikire koba ase chama ya CMD.
Keraitu Murungi oyore omunyakerogo o CMD Kenya nigatebire omuroberi oyo nigo obwateranete byama byonsi bya gisiasa wanchereria gotayo.
The political parties in the country, especially those ones with representation in county assemblies, the Senate and Parliament and the National Assembly. To qualify, you need at least one elected representative so that you can be a member of a CMD.
Omo director wekyama kya UPA Ken Marita oyukirana ase NCMA nere nigaru kuburia gukyasaba Kenya wesokia asobonge na kwerikia ase kya mekyo.
UPA ne chama erase ebyama biribinde na biro bikoliyo borai mine binde bikoliyo borai. Igo tole national party igo talingana abagusibye katagota ibachi asenge njomoko iwe kegusi nekitwatebanga abagusi bonsi people bali Nairobi bache Uhuru Park egera tonyare okora registration totware members abange otoko inikare cy'abantu baito barega Nairobi mochiche egera tokora oboriki wo konyora abantu abange barato akere chikura osabara ake chikura se Kenya na moso ebichane binge mbibwati chikura twasabire mochiche gekoera IPC necho tokega chiachensi chinyinge njiye chibega iga egere twelike tonyare koba abaki bechikura chia Kenya
chingakie checho okuborigwa nigo kwarure gukyasaba sae wesokia asobonge na kwerikia buna abaki chikurana nabo igokoba ababwatani bebyama bya gisiasa ao
ndobwate okugania okone sana intubuna abana abasae isikali bali babere bagosira ndotete konyora youth abange sana ase bate ido ya UPA at least boniga ntubuna omwana omugusi ntorocha storoji astoroji gali goro ngaite murochenga ndobwate omoske Fred Okengomatiang oitogo support na ndogotanga round itu na safisha na UPA.
This is a right ekerore in a party ngonyara more ko ba moko ba recognized so abasae abange nko ba request erinde munyara ko mogo join this party ne erinde tonyara ko ba na nyene chikurekera chiko chagwa ko nyonga nora a member of a party na nde tonyara ko batoko bata chikura chinyinga sengenjo ntogoteba nga ngwa katore chikura tutabati chi voters card so again tonda nyara ko ngo bate yabasae munyara ko moko bata chika voters card erinde to sonyara ko chara abarayi abaranyara ko baba ochogotokonya
Gorpoteria en Soko TV erietaria ne Linet Nyambane.